Just a day after Emirates-based telecom player Etisalat said it's winding up its India operations, a war has broken out between the joint venture partners. That's the DB Group and Etisalat. For more on that story, we're joined by Gauri Dwivedi and Nisha Poddar, who are going to get us the two sides of this big story. Gauri, to you first. Etisalat has initiated legal proceedings against Shahid Balwa and Vinod Goenka. On what grounds?
Sandeep, the grounds are pretty similar to what Telenor has also done as far as its JV partner is concerned. The fact that there was fraud, there was misrepresentation, the investment opportunity was marketed to them, saying that all legal rules and regulations of India are being met, and now they feel none of that has actually been met, and they have actually been fraudulently asked to invest in this in their India entity. Of course, they put in over $900 million for 45% stake in the company. They ran these operations for 3 years, and now, of course, licenses have been cancelled. Keep in mind the fact that Etisalat is a government-backed entity. It is listed in its home country. It has obligations and answerable to its investors and to the government as to why really was so much of exchequer's money and investors' money put into India operations when the licenses itself were cancelled. There has to be some face saving that has to be done by the company, and that's the reason why they have taken and they've dragged their JV partner to court and will sue for damages, if not the entire investment that they put into India. Of course, they would like to reclaim or get some amount of that back from the promoters of these companies.
Right. So it is Etisalat versus the Balwas. Now, Nisha, you spoke to the DB Group owned by the Balwas. What are their allegations? Because this is clearly a two-way story now.
That's right, Shelley. It's an all-out war that DB Group has opened against its JV partners, Etisalat. In fact, the sources in DB Group do tell me that in the meeting yesterday, after which Etisalat said that they are going to shut down operations in India, shut shop operations, and start winding up the network. That's something that was unilaterally decided by Etisalat. Are the charges that DB Group is now throwing on Etisalat. What DB Group sources did tell me is that the board representatives of DB side on the Etisalat DB board meet yesterday did not agree to this decision. In fact, they did not give their consent, and there were differences which was very evident, but still Etisalat went ahead with a statement that they are going to shut down operations in India. Now, as a future course of action, DB Group sources do tell me that they are exploring all legal actions. So now that there is a lawsuit against the Balwas as well as Vinod Goenka, the two promoters of DB Group from Etisalat, there could be a counter action as far as legal proceedings are concerned from DB Group as well. In a very strongly worded statement from DB Group, they've also said that the JV under Etisalat mismanagement has not gone anywhere, and that they'll be held responsible for all the mismanagements that have taken place. Remember, this is not the first time that there are differences between the two. There has been a case in the CLB in the past as well.